안녕하세요, Kiray.
안녕하세요.
Okay. So, are you done writing multiplication table 1 to 30 paper? Okay, so here is it. Sure ka? 13 eh? Ikaw nagsat ane? Okay. So, the point here presents the multiplication function. Okay, so 30 all in all. Okay, so are you ready for your retest? Ready na ka sa mo retest? Okay, so multiple of 7.
Tanan? 7 times 1 is 7. Ayot lang siya. Kanang sa 10 ko to. Kanang 10, 7 times 10.
9.
7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 9 is 63.
Okay, multiple of 4.
4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 60. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36.
Okay, so random ta ha. 9 times 6.
54.
5 times 4.
20.
7 times 6.
52.
4 times 9.
36.
8 times 6.
48.
6 times 4.
24.
3 times 6.
18.
7 times 4.
28.
3 times 9. 3 times 9.
27.
7 times 8.
56.
2 times 9.
18.
4 times 4.
16.
8 times 9.
72.
9 times 3.
27.
5 times 9.
45.
7 times 7.
49.
3 times 7.
21.
4 times 2.
8.
8 times 3.
24.
6 times 6.
36.
5 times 8.
40.
Okay, so pasar na ka sa imong retest multiplication. So you are welcome again para mag-study sa study room. Okay? Bye-bye. Dili nakalimtan balik ha. Bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo, Maxine. Okay, so na-feel ka pag multiplication, pag live, right? And then, unsa tong gipa-assignment? Buhat og multiplication. Pila ka paper? 30 papers. Managsuot? Okay, so here is it. I already counted it and it's 30 all in all, 30 papers. 2 to 9 multiplication table. Okay, so ready na ka for your retest? Ready na? So, multiple of 6.
6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 9 is 54.
Okay, multiple of 4.
4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36.
Okay, random ta ha. 8 times 6.
48.
3 times 7.
21.
7 times 6.
42.
5 times 4.
20.
6 times 8.
48.
8 times 7.
56.
7 times 3.
21.
2 times 3.
6.
9 times 7.
63.
8 times 4.
32.
4 times 6.
28.
Wrong isa. 7 times 2.
14.
4 times 6.
24.
5 times 8.
40.
8 times 3.
24.
9 times 6.
54.
9 times 9.
81.
2 times 9.
18.
4 times 4.
16.
6 times 2.
12.
5 times 5.
25.
3 times 3.
9.
Okay. So, pasar ka sa imong multiplication retest tonight. So, you're welcome again to study in the study room. Okay? Dili nakalimtan ha. Congrats. Bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo everyone.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so we have here your new school supply para sa study room. New notebooks and ball pens because I have noticed nga inyong notebooks is hapit na mahurot. But before using the new notebooks, inyo sa nang gamiton ang old notebooks ninyo, inyo sa nang hutdon para magamit jud siya. Nya after ana, if mahurot na inyong notebook, hipuso na nato and then we'll use your new notebooks. Okay? Kasabot? Nya, ang kaning sa L1, bago pa man tong palit ang sa L3, ang sa L1 is ilan na ni gamiton kay hurot na lang notebooks. And then, new ball pens, kaya ang mga ball pens ninyo, nangahurot na sad ang uban nangawa. Diba, niingon ko nga, ang ball pens dili dadon sa balay. Kahaman o gamit, ang ball pens is iuli na ninyo diri kaysa study room na kasabot. So, dili na ako magbutang-butang ni mana, 40 na siya kabuok. Dili na siya dapat makuhaan. Dili dapat mawadaan. Kasabot mo wala. Kasabot wala. And then, napot na yung scotch tape. Kaya sige mo pangitag scotch tape para sa inyong mga project. So, nagpalit na lang sa admi. Yan ay mga coloring material sa daan diri. Pwede rin na ninyo gamitan para sa inyong mga project. Kasabot mo wala. Dili usik-usikan ang notebook. Dili drawing-drawingan. Dili hugaw-hugawan. Dili suwatan og lain. Kana arang mga klase diri sa study room. Kasabot wala. Okay. So, ang kanang inyong school supplies for study room is, this is from Mactan Korea Channel. What will you say?
Mactan Korea Channel. Annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
Okay, sit down. Dili hugaw-hugawan ha. Dili mawagtang ang mga ball pens. Dili drawing-drawingan ang mga notebooks. Kasabot mo wala. Okay, so all in all, for the notebooks and notebooks and tape, 418, and for the ball pen, 98. So all in all, 16. Bye-bye! Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, teacher Nisan.
Alright, so today we're going to discuss part of speech. We are done with adjectives.
Yes.
Are we done with adjectives? How about verb? Adverb. Are we done with noun and pronouns? So, but we haven't discussed it yet. Nag-discuss ka sa noun pronoun o pa? Wala pa. So, we will proceed to preposition. So, this one, money yung copy, pa? So, this is the function of preposition. Read first.
Link a noun to another word.
Again,
Link a noun to another word.
from the word link, mura siya i-connect. Or imo siyang i-connect sa connect ang words. So, sa example sa preposition. Basa.
At, in, on, after, under.
So, there are 6, no? 6 ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 example words of preposition. So, we will have here our example. Read first.
She was hiding under the table.
So, where is the preposition there? Asa preposition, ani? Naghatag na mong example ganina. RJ, asa ang preposition, RJ?
Another. Under. Under.
Under. RJ, ano yung tanaw sa tubangan? So, mo ni siya ang... Ano sinawagan na niya? Ha? Basta na tarong?
Preposition.
Again.
Preposition.
RJ? Ay, basa ko na. Tanawa lang eh. Preposition. Ang tawag sa na word na at, in, of, on, after, under. Like mana ko, I'm going to church after school. Asa ang preposition natin? After. Very good, Ella. So, RJ, igmaingan ko nga, I will put my pencil on the table. Asa agto, RJ, ang preposition. I will put my pencil on. Morning, class.
Good morning, Teacher Nisan.
Alright, so today we're going to continue our topic regarding part of speech. Ano na kita ko? Adjective o
Adverb of
verb.
Verb.
So, we're going to discuss noun and pronoun since kana sila daw kay connected na sila. So, read first ang meaning sa noun and then this is sa pronoun. Noun sa ta.
A noun names a person, place, thing, or idea.
So, mao na siya ang noun. A noun names. Mungan siya o place, person, things, and idea. For example, sa person, kana. Basahin nyo.
Boy, Carla, father, firefighter, girl, Peter.
So, mo name siya like Peter, girl, boy, nga na. And then sa place, basa ha.
Farm, garage, house, school, store, Texas.
So, mo name siya mga places. Kanang Texas is part na siya sa country sa Mexico. Part na siya sa Mexico. Next, ang thing, mga butang, basa ha.
Book, car, competition, hat, rope,
Rug. So, next is ang idea.
Fairness, friendship, honesty, humor, kindness, truth.
So, mga na siya ang mga example sa noun. Yung sila yung friendship ni IGP. So, let's have our example here. Basahin niyo.
Carla is known for her fairness, so we should see to judge the competition.
So, we chose her, mani. We chose her. So, asa man dira ang noun? Asa ang noun?
Carla.
Carla ra?
Fairness.
Competition. So, mo na siya ang noun. Kaya na siya name, na siya idea, and na siya thing. Ang place, wala siya place there, di ba?
So, let's proceed. Or kasabot naman sa ang noun.
Yes.
So, ang noun, muhatag siya specific na ngan. Na siya yung name. Ari ka sa pronoun, basahan niyo ang pronoun.
A pronoun is a word that take the place of a noun.
So, ang pronoun daw, siya ang muilis sa noun. For example, here, wala pa mo nakasabat basaan na. Asa man ang pronoun nani? Her.
Go! Brush your teeth. Brush it properly. Lower and upper. Pag human sa ilahang klase, ako silang gipatot brush your lahang teeth.